Hello traders, how was the day today? So we had a nice move up. I actually did not expect this kind of a move right before the FOMC today. But anyways, it happened, and since it happened, we traded it that way. As always, if the content of these videos are helping you out, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and click on the notification icon. So let us now look at the price action. Let me bring in the bar counter here. So this was the 9:30 bar and we opened very close to the close of yesterday, and this bar was not at all a good looking bar. Although after this bar was formed, I actually scalped a little bit below that because I was actually looking for the second leg to this particular move. And if you want to see here, the second leg would have ended here. But since the ETH market was pretty bullish, I just wanted to scalp here, and I did not want to hold on to the shorts for a long time. Now, if you see bar number two, it is an outside up bar. It closed above the high of bar number one, but it had a long wick at the top. But in spite of that, we got good scalps here, and all the way up till bar number 16, I kept on scalping because I was not confident that the price is going to go up because of this long wicks that we were having. But then we were having continuous green bars, right? This was one reversal attempt here, but that was really minor. This was another reversal attempt here. That was a doji. But then we saw bar number 16 happen, and that happened above the 5812 area, right? So as soon as bar number 16 happened here, I went long here. This was the long that I was willing to hold, and I was trying to see if we could get 20 points above this. This was bar number 16, so my entry was around the 13.5 area. I was looking at 43.5. But anyways, my first profit taking was at the 10-point mark, which was at the 33 line. And then I was waiting for 46 to happen. But then as soon as we came to this 40, we saw this inside bar. I put my stop loss below bar number 29 and I came out of that trade right there. After this inside bar, we had a strong bar here. This bar tried to go up. Now, if you are looking at this here, we have a micro double top here, right? We do not have any wicks on the top of these candles, candle number 29 and 30. And this candle happened just in order to give them a good exit from this particular area. So if you see here, this was the first entry shot. This was the second entry shot. I tried to get a 1:1 of this move to the downside, and we got it exactly at 5827. Now, after this new high got created, if you see here, this was the first reversal attempt, this was the second reversal attempt. And if you note, there has not been any strong breakout below the second reversal attempt. I was just scalping in this area, considering 25 to be the low and the 35 area to be the high. And I was looking for the second entry longs. For example, I entered the second entry long here. I took the second entry short here. Again, I took the second entry long here, and finally we broke out. Now, as we broke out, let us count the number of attempts after which we broke out, and that will actually confirm the probability that 80% of the times the breakout fails, right? So this was the first breakout attempt above the 33 line. I was considering 33 as the line of the breakout. So this was the first breakout attempt that failed. This was the second breakout attempt that failed. This was the third breakout attempt that failed, and we got a good leg down. This was the fourth breakout attempt that failed. We got another leg down, and finally this breakout attempt created a strong bar above 33. So at this point of time, I was long above bar number 69 at the 30 area. As we were in a trading range, I took one contract off at 33, but then we saw that it closed well above 33. I took another contract here around at 5834, and then my first exit was at the 40 area, which was the previous high, and then I was looking for 46. So 46 is the next generic support and resistance area, and we got 46 and we came out of the trade right there. Now let us try counting the legs here once. So after this new low was created, this was the first leg up. We had this pullback, but this was an inside bar. This was also an inside bar, and then this was also an inside bar. So we had a I format. This went up here, so this was the second leg up. However, this particular bar number 8 took out the low of bar number 7, and we got another leg to the upside after that. So those were three legs. At this point of time, I was actually thinking that we may get a two-legged pullback, but then I was waiting for a bear bar, but we never got a bear bar here, right? And every time we were coming inside this 513 cloud and was getting support, but I was not confident about what was going to happen at the top, as long as I did not see this bar number 16 go above the 5812 area, and then I actually got a good swing to the upside. Again, again, coming back to the leg count, this was the first leg up, this was the second leg up, this was the third leg up. And now if we consider this was the first reversal attempt and this was the second reversal attempt, at this point of time in this area, we have got a good breakout above the second reversal attempt. So what does that mean? That means that we are expecting to get two more legs to the upside. And when this third leg happened, I actually entered this fourth leg and got it to the top. If you want to understand leg counting in details, I have actually posted a video about leg counting. You will find the link to this video somewhere on the top here, and I will post the link also under the description section. So those were all the trades that happened today. To recap, we kept on scalping in this whole area, and then after bar number 16, we went long. Our first take profit was at 33, and when the price fell below bar number 29, we came out of all our longs, and after that we shorted below bar number 33 and got 1:1 of this move. We did some scalping here in this tight trading range, and then finally once this bar 60 happened and this particular bar number 68 could not close below bar number 60, I went long above bar number 69. We took some profit at 33. We re-entered around at 34. Our first exit again was at the 40 area, and we came out of all our contracts at 5846. So those were all the trades that happened today. I will be back in the evening again with the expectations for tomorrow and the support and resistance areas that we have created. There has been a big move today, so on the lower time frame there will be some movement in the support and resistances, especially in the 1 hour and the 5-minute time frame. I will end this video here right now, and I will see you guys very soon in the evening. Have a great rest of the afternoon, guys. Bye.